there.
Yeah? Cool, man. If you want to you can put your stuff by my stuff there.
Are you from around here or?
I'm from London, man.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning. It has been an eventful time in Rhode Island. I've had a wicked time so far. And today I'm going to be going with Chelsea again for some breakfast. And then she kindly offered to take me to Connecticut, Stamford, which is my next stop. So I'm going to go grab some breakfast this morning and we're going to head over to Connecticut. One thing I did want to say is for everyone watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and click the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me and it definitely helps out my channel. Thank you. Oh my god. This ice is going to be the death of me.
Keep in touch.
For show. We have arrived at my auntie's in Connecticut, state number 6.
Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Hello, auntie. Righty, good morning everyone. So I've taken a day to just recharge my batteries while I'm here. Connecticut is a big state. It's got a port here called Harbor Point, which is actually shut at the moment, just obviously because it's still winter and it's still cold. It opens up in about a month or two, so we're not going to be able to see that now. But I have found somewhere which I'm so excited to go and see. Those that don't know Yale University, it's probably one of the best universities in the world. Plus it looks like a castle, like an English castle. And then I also need to find someone's hair to cut and potentially a place to stay. So I'm gonna see when we get down there what the best plan of action is going forward. The time is 8:30 in the morning. I've got a train at 9:30, so I'm just gonna get myself ready and then we're gonna head out. So I've quickly come into Target to get a portable chair because I'm finding that wherever I'm going, I'm always finding it difficult to find somewhere to sit. So I'm gonna keep a chair with me so I can basically bop up anywhere and just do a trim. Right, so I just need to get a train ticket to Yale. Right, we have just arrived at New Haven. Just lost my train ticket. We're gonna head over to Yale University. Oh, you go to Yale, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want a free haircut?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, sure.
Yale's, I was like, plus it looks like a castle, so I thought I'd go.
Yes, dude.
I thought, why not?
Yes,
That-
100%.
That was the idea.
So yeah, our guy's this guy right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome, bro. What was your name?
Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack.
Great
I'm
to
Joel.
meet you. Joel? Yeah,
Joel,
I
man.
figured. Ezekiel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sick.
Cool, bro. So what are you studying in Yale?
I studied political science.
Okay.
Yeah, but mostly like energy and the environment, climate change. Yeah,
What's your plan for afterwards?
Afterwards, it's coming up pretty soon. I'm graduating in May.
Okay, awesome.
So, yeah.
And you got spring break coming up as well.
Spring break.
So what made you decide to let me come in your Uber? And obviously it's super random.
No, of course. I just saw you had a camera, so I was like, this guy's up to something. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. What's up? That's awesome. Dude,
I do it sly, so not everyone
Yeah,
can know.
100%. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, totally.
Imagine if it was like in your face, you'd be like, what's going on?
Exactly. No, that's I respect the hustle of it, dude.
So have you got class today, or are you just off today?
Class today, yeah, for sure.
What time you got class?
I got class pretty much actually, so it might not work out with the haircut
Yeah,
thing.
I'll be around.
I'll set you up. I'll show you exactly where you want to go.
Where's the best place to go?
100%. I kind of think you want. I mean, it's cold, but I kind of think you want that background of like
the school.
It's just iconic.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So I think you kind of want. I mean,
it's not too cold today where someone could sit and have a trim.
Yeah. How long are you planning on staying?
Well, it depends if I can find somewhere to stay. It depends. Thank you very much, bro.
Yeah, one sec. I got my dad on the phone.
Cool, man.
Yo,
how mad is this?
And like traveling all 50 states. And so anyway, so that's what's happening. So I'll call you back in like half an hour or something. This is nice. Like what I was thinking is like if you were to set up, clip someone here like in front of this could be super sick.
I think you got a good eye for the camera.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I think let's make a good view. I'll pop up the camera in a chair.
Yeah.
Why not?
100%, dude.
Bro.
You're the man?
Give me your number.
Absolutely.
And I'll... What a nice guy. All right, so this is gonna be the backdrop. So I'm gonna set up just now. Right, I'm set up and I'm ready. Now I just need to find someone's hair to cut. That's the hard bit. Excuse me, bro. Could I offer you a chance for a free haircut? Wow, no one wants a free haircut here. Oh, excuse me. By any chance, would you want a free haircut?
No, not right now.
Cool. No worries, man. Have a nice day, yeah? By any chance, did you want a free haircut?
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah?
Sorry.
Cool, man. Have a nice day. We're off to a belter of a start. Hello.
How long do they take?
20 minutes, half an hour. What, do you want a haircut?
Yeah.
It's mainly for dudes, though.
She cries.
Did either of you want a free haircut?
No, thank you.
Cool. No worries, guys. Have a nice day, yeah?
Are you good?
I wouldn't be here if I didn't think I was half decent. Yeah? Cool, man. If you want to you can put your stuff by my stuff there.
You're from around here, or?
I'm from London, man. You're in safe hands, I can promise you that.
Yeah, I'm just nervous.
You're nervous, yeah?
A bit.
You're taking a leap of faith.
I am, yeah.
Have you ever seen those videos where someone goes up to someone, asks for a trim on TikTok or anything like that? Or is this the first time
This is the first time I'm aware.
anything's happened to you? Cool, man.
Is it a thing?
Yeah, for sure, man. You're in safe hands.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit about yourself, man.
I go to school there,
Yeah?
at the School of Music.
The School of Music.
Yeah, I'm a composer.
What are you studying?
I'm a composer.
You're a composer, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, fantastic. What made you want to do that?
Music is the best.
What, do you like classical music? Do you
Yeah.
sort of make hip hop? What's your
Classical.
preference? Classical, yeah?
Orchestras.
How much? It's free, my friend. It's free. All I ask is that you follow me on social media. And what made you sort of fall in love with music? What was it about it that sort of stuck out to
I
you?
can't remember. It was just, they're all along. Was it the same for you for?
No, so I actually used to work in property, like real estate.
Yeah.
So why did you choose Yale?
It's a really good program,
Yeah?
the music one, yeah. Great people came out of here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like who?
In composition, I mean, they're famous in their field. Kind of, do you know like contemporary classical music?
I don't know contemporary, but
Yeah.
I'm always interested to learn.
So there's people still writing classical music.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Even now?
Even now, yeah. Still writing for orchestra as well.
Oh wow. So whoever cut your hair last, they obviously didn't really shape it. So I'm just gonna shape your hair for you, give you a bit more longevity in your haircut. Yes guys, you alright? Thank you for trusting me again.
Thank you for your time.
Let me just clean up the bottom of your neck and you can be on your way. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
Got absolutely blessed with the weather today. This is the whole point of what I wanted to do on the trip. Go to a national bit of where I wanted, trim someone, and I need to find some food and a place to sleep. That guy Jack said I could potentially stay at him, but he's got class up until about 6. So I'm gonna take a little walk around the town, see if I can find somewhere to eat. Quick question, where can I get some food around here? Where's like
Right up here on the right.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, there's a couple of places right
Cool.
there.
Thank you very much. Stopped at this little Chinese spot. Some chicken, garlic sauce. It's nice and sweet from the chili. Sweet potato, red cabbage. So that guy's just invited me, he's from New York, I saw the camera. He's just invited me to an event in Manhattan, and it's on Friday night. So, and he wants a haircut in the Bronx, so we're gonna go give him a haircut in the Bronx as well, potentially. I'm not sure about it yet. You never know who you're gonna meet. Eating some Chinese food. I'm trying to figure out what's the next plan. I think it would be hilarious for me to go into a Yale lecture, because I'm definitely not clever enough to get into one. See if I can finesse and get into the uni. I walked around some more of the campus. The lecture rooms are shut, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be getting into a lecture today. I am in Yale though, so that seems pretty cool. This is going to sound super random. Do you live around this area? Around campus?
Yeah.
Do you by any chance want a free haircut?
Sure.
Yeah? Is that something you want to do?
Yeah, I would love that.
Cool, man. What's your name?
Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you.
You're the second Jack I've met today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Have you got like a dorm where I could do it, or?
Yeah.
Is this where the student halls are, or is this where your accommodation is?
So each of the colleges have their own housing.
Oh, really?
And like a dining hall.
Oh, wow, that's fancy. It looks like London in here, honestly. Have you ever been to London? Yeah, for sure.
A little bit more sunny.
Yeah, well, it's weird because you still got snow out, but... So what made you want to put your trust in me? Obviously, I'm just some random British guy. Offered to cut your hair. What was the...
I don't know. The dog...
the dog thought I was nice, so you're like, he's probably a nice guy.
I trusted the dog's instincts. Yeah, I like the...
You like the sort of tapered look, right?
I like the tapered look. Sometimes I don't like how it gets sort of like...
Too heavy on the sides?
Yeah, or sort of like it flops down a little bit.
Cool, man. Alright, well, you want to just leave it to me and I'll
Yeah.
sort of... You're in safe hands, yeah?
Yeah. It was like one of those language study programs.
Yeah.
But the whole thing was just very random. It was during the World Cup. I was like, there were 10 of us there in an academy of ballet dancers. There's like no real reason for us to be there.
Just super random.
Super random.
It's kind of cool though. You
It was super cool.
Did you make some good friends there?
Maybe not really lasting friends, but definitely some friends for a while I was there. We were paired up with like other Russian students, which was kind of cool.
How do you feel about COVID now? You sort of less worried, still worried?
I'm not super worried. I wonder what our college experience would have been like without it.
Oh yeah, because it took a big year out of your... Has it been a year or 2 years that it's been weird here?
I think even now it's weird.
So I would say your hair just needs to dry. If you want to use a towel.
Stick my head out of the... I feel I'm like lucky to be in the club of the Cutting Through America.
Yeah, man. I'm thank you for trusting me, bro.
Yeah.
You got awesome hair, so I'm...
I love it.
I'd definitely make a good video learning how to cut the dog's hair. Yeah. I think that'd be quite funny. Is this the pizza place, yeah? Cool.
All of these are the...
Right. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it. Enjoy, guys. It's a very polite way to like eat pizza. Is it hot, yeah?
I'm gonna cry.
So I've just been on couch surfing and someone has come back to me to say that I can stay at theirs tonight, which is an absolute result. But I didn't have a place to stay. I'm hopefully going to give him a haircut tonight when I get there. He said he's in class till about 7:38. You can basically see that I can stay at him and then we'll go from there. I can leave in the morning. Perfect. Head to New York. My mission in Connecticut is complete. Hi, man. How you doing?
Hello, I'm good.
You don't mind the camera, do you?
No.
Cool, bro. Nice to meet you. I'm Joel, man. Thank you for letting me stay.
Of course.
Right, guys, so it's been a bit of a hectic day. I'm going to call it a night. We're going to cut his hair tomorrow morning and then we're going to head to New York and we're going to have a fantastic week. I'll see you guys in the morning.
1, 2, 3.